I'm reading The Old Truck by Jarrett Pumphrey and Jerome Pumphrey. They're brothers from Texas, Austin, Texas, and they crafted 250 individual stamps to create this book. So cool. It was inspired by the family, the woman in their family, actually. So let's read. The Old Truck. On a small farm, an old truck worked hard. The old truck worked long. The old truck grew weary and tired, so the old truck rested and dreamed. The old truck sailed the seas, braved the skies, and chased the stars. But the old truck grew older and older, and older still. On a small farm, a new farmer worked hard. The new farmer worked long. That's the little girl. The new farmer grew weary and tired. But she dreamed and persisted. On a small farm, an old truck worked hard. The end. So beautiful. Thank you for writing such precious book about perseverance and hard work.